Hey guys, it's Matt Pittman of Meat Church. Welcome back to our cocktail series. Today I'm gonna make you one you've been asking for a long time, this amazing smoked lemonade. Very, very simple. So we're gonna start out with a smoked simple syrup. This is a product that I get from Traeger that is amazing. If you don't have smoked simple syrup, you can make one or you can use regular simple syrup, and I'm going with a cup of this. We're gonna add 1 cup of water. We've squeezed 1 cup of lemon juice. Now the way I made my lemons, I cut them in half, dipped them down in turbinado sugar, and put them on a 500-degree grill for about 15 minutes, and then I squeezed the juice from there, as you can see here. Last but not least, you can't forget, if you're in Texas, 1/3 cup of vodka. Let's get that stirred up. Pour that over some ice and garnish it with one of the grilled lemon wedges there. Cheers, my friends. Now that's good lemonade right there. If you like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to check out the rest of our cocktail playlist. See y'all next time.